what's up guys? So I had someone ask me, what is the little contraption on the side of your kayak? This is my homemade transducer mount that fits snug right there. So what I did is drilled a small hole just in here to run the wire through. On the side here, I used the angle grinder to make a little notch, because right in here on the Tamaracks you have the little notch for the rod holder, so that fits in snug. And whenever I get out on the water, I just put it in and it's really snug. Down here I had to take the angle grinder and grind the sides of it just so this would mount on there, and I just ran the screw through there with washers on each side, so that's not moving, and it hangs that low from the kayak. I didn't want a bunch of wires where my feet were, so this is why I made that little mount right there. And this is how I have my Garmin set up. I had to drill a little hole in here, but I'm going to fill that in later. Inside here is excess transducer wire. I bought these alligator clips from Home Depot for like $3 or so I can clamp onto my battery. I have an extra tray in here that is velcroed to the bottom, so all of this stays in place and doesn't slide around. And everything is drilled in to the hatch, and underneath here I have rubber washers just to help prevent any water from coming in. So this is snug, it's on there, it's not going anywhere. I can shake the kayak with it. So this is my setup. Also, this is probably the best modification that I have made to my kayak. This is a 3.5 pound anchor attached to 550 cord. This is a retractable clothesline I got from Lowe's. I bolted it in. I keep my anchor in the rod holder, and whenever I set my anchor, like so, I just make a little slip knot. Then I attach it to the carabiner here, so all of the restriction is on the carabiner and not the actual clothesline. Whenever I pull up my anchor, it goes right in. It doesn't get in the way. It's easy. I love it. So this is my setup so far. If you guys like what you see, leave a comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think. Thank you for watching.